Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In today's video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. Consider the function h of x is equals to x to the power of 6 minus 10 to the power of x cubed plus 25. Which choice best describes the end behavior of h? So let's take a look at the function. Again, f of x is x squared, x to the power of 6 minus 10x cubed plus 25. And our task is to determine the end behavior of this function. First, let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is x to the power of 6. So the rest of the function is not going to be influential on the end behavior of the g function. So, and x to the power of 6 is a term with an even exponent. And when I substitute negative values for x, the result will be always positive. So negative to the power of 6 is always positive, or positive something to the power of 6 is going to give you positive 2. So substituting very small number like is negative infinity, or substituting very large number like a positive infinity, it still will be resulting as positive. So therefore, we will have D, the choice D, as correct answer, because in both cases the result will be positive infinity. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and have a good one. Bye bye.